Welcome to Content Strategy Fundamentals. In this series, we'll explore how to plan your creative direction and build a strategic approach to content development and distribution. Whether you're just starting your creative journey or looking to optimize your existing channel, understanding content strategy is the foundation for sustainable growth and meaningful audience connection. A content strategy matters because it directly impacts four critical areas of your channel. First, growth. A strategic approach ensures consistent audience expansion and sustainable monetization over time. Second, direction. You gain a clear creative vision and purpose, so your content stays focused and resonates with your audience. Third, efficiency. Planning saves you time and reduces burnout by organizing your creative process. Finally, connection. When you know what your audience needs, you build loyal relationships and genuine community engagement that keeps people coming back. Every successful content strategy rests on three foundational pillars. The first pillar is audience. You must deeply understand who you're creating for and what problems your content solves for them. The second pillar is plan. This means organizing your content creation with a clear roadmap, deciding what to create and when to publish it. The third pillar is analyze. You measure your results through data and metrics, then continuously optimize based on what you learn. These three pillars work together to create a sustainable, growth-oriented strategy. Knowing your audience is the foundation of effective content strategy. Start with demographics. Understand your viewers' age, location, interests, and education level. Next, explore psychographics, their values, beliefs, and lifestyle preferences that shape what content resonates with them. Then study their behavior when they watch, how long they engage, and what types of content they interact with most. Finally, identify their pain points, the specific problems or desires your content can address. When you answer these four questions, you can create content that genuinely serves your audience instead of guessing what they want. Strategic planning transforms your understanding of your audience into actionable content. Start by defining your content pillars. These are 3 to 5 core themes that form the backbone of everything you create. Then set clear goals with specific, measurable outcomes you want to achieve. Create a content calendar that maps out what you'll publish and when, ensuring consistency. Finally, plan your distribution strategy across multiple platforms so your content reaches your audience wherever they spend time. On a timeline, review quarterly for major strategy adjustments, plan monthly batches of content, review weekly for engagement metrics, and engage daily with your community. Understanding different distribution channels helps you reach your audience where they are. YouTube is your primary platform for long-form video content and discoverability. This is where people search for solutions and learn new things. Instagram, through Reels and Stories, gives you visual promotion and real-time community engagement. X, formerly Twitter, is ideal for real-time updates and joining trending conversations with your audience. Finally, community channels like email, Discord, or direct messaging create direct connection with your most loyal followers. Each channel serves a different purpose in your overall distribution strategy. The final pillar is analyzing your content performance and continuously optimizing. Track 4 key metrics. Views show your reach and how discoverable your content is. Engagement includes likes, comments, shares, and watch time, signals of how much your audience cares. Subscribers measure your loyal audience growth and retention rate. And return on investment reveals conversions and real business impact. Once you're tracking these metrics, follow an optimization cycle. Track your data regularly, identify patterns in what resonates, test different changes like titles or formats, and iterate continuously to improve results. Balance your content using 2 proven frameworks. The 80-10-10 rule means 80% of your content should provide genuine value through education or entertainment, 10% promotes your products or services, and 10% shares personal stories and behind-the-scenes moments. Additionally, distribute your educational content by type. 40% should be educational tutorials and guides, 30% entertaining stories that engage and delight, and 30% inspirational content that motivates and transforms. This balanced mix keeps your audience engaged, maintains trust, and creates multiple pathways for growth. 6 strategies accelerate your channel growth. First, consistency. Publish on a regular schedule your audience learns to expect and anticipate. Second, optimize your thumbnails and titles for click-through rates and maximum engagement. Third, use playlists to organize related content and increase watch time by encouraging viewers to binge your videos. Fourth, cross-promote your content by linking related videos and promoting across different platforms. Fifth, actively engage with your community by responding to comments and building genuine relationships. Finally, stay aware of trending topics and leverage relevant conversations to expand your reach while staying true to your core pillars. Implement your content strategy using 2 phases. In the planning phase, define your audience demographics, establish your core content pillars, set smart and measurable goals, create a detailed content calendar, and plan which distribution channels you'll use. In the execution phase, maintain your consistent publishing schedule, optimize your titles and thumbnails based on performance data, engage daily with your community, track your key metrics, and analyze results to iterate and improve continuously. When you move through these phases systematically, you transform from creating random content into running a strategic, growth-focused channel that serves your audience authentically.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.